Hello educators, as we convene on March 9, 2024, at 4 p.m. GMT, we delve into the transformative potential of Google Drive for educators in efficient data management. In the dynamic landscape of modern education, teachers face the intricate challenge of managing diverse data sets. Google Drive emerges as a solution, not just as a storage service but as an ecosystem fostering collaboration, accessibility, and simplicity. Today's exploration seeks to recognize Google Drive as a catalyst for streamlined digital workflows. With applications like Docs, Sheets, Slides, and Forms, it transcends traditional file storage, providing a collaborative environment for real-time interaction. Its significance lies in addressing the multifaceted challenges educators encounter, offering an intuitive interface, robust search functionalities, and version control mechanisms. Mastering Google Drive is not only essential within the classroom but also pivotal for remote and hybrid learning scenarios. Proficient data management skills empower educators to create seamless virtual learning experiences, transcending geographical constraints. Join us in this exploration as we unlock the latent power of Google Drive, envisioning a future where technology becomes an instrument of educational evolution, freeing educators to focus on the art of teaching.